When it comes to upgrading your home in Cayce, window installation is a crucial project that can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. While replacing or installing windows seems like a straightforward task, there are several common mistakes that homeowners often make. These errors can lead to costly repairs, poor performance, and less than ideal results. Whether you're tackling a window installation on your own or hiring a professional, it's essential to be aware of these common pitfalls to ensure a successful outcome. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is choosing the wrong type of window for their home's needs. Different windows offer distinct features such as varying levels of energy efficiency, noise reduction, and aesthetic appeal. In Cayce, the local climate should also influence your decision, as you'll need windows that can withstand both hot summers and cooler winters. Failing to consider factors such as style, material, and energy ratings can result in poor insulation, higher energy bills, and windows that don't complement the style of your home. Be sure to consult a professional to help you select the best windows that match your home's needs and your personal preferences. Improper measurements. Accurate measurements are critical to a successful window installation. A mistake as simple as measuring the window opening incorrectly can lead to windows that don't fit properly. This can result in drafts, water leaks, and even difficulty opening or closing the window. Always double-check your measurements, and consider leaving this task to the professionals if you're unsure. A tight fit is crucial not only for function but also for energy efficiency. Gaps around the window can lead to significant heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Ignoring the condition of the window frame. Many homeowners focus only on the new window itself, forgetting to inspect and prepare the window frame properly. If the frame is damaged, rotted, or not level, it can compromise the performance of the new window. An improperly installed frame can lead to air leaks, water damage, and poor insulation. It's important to inspect the frame for signs of damage and make necessary repairs before installing the new window. In some cases, it might be necessary to replace the entire frame to ensure a proper seal and long-term performance. Skipping the flashing and sealing process. Flashing and sealing are crucial steps in preventing water infiltration around your windows. Skipping these steps or doing them improperly can lead to costly water damage, mold growth, and reduced window lifespan. Proper flashing and sealing help create a watertight barrier that protects your home from the elements. Be sure to use high-quality materials and follow the manufacturer's instructions when sealing your windows. It's always best to hire a professional who is familiar with the correct techniques for flashing and sealing, especially if you're unfamiliar with these important steps. Overlooking energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the top reasons homeowners decide to replace their windows. Unfortunately, many people fail to consider all of the energy-saving features available with modern windows. When choosing your windows, make sure they have a high energy performance rating, including features such as low E-glass coatings, insulated frames, and gas-filled panes. Neglecting to prioritize energy-efficient features could result in higher heating and cooling costs down the road. Especially in Cayce, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, choosing energy-efficient windows will help maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home year-round. Attempting DIY without proper knowledge. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation is often best left to the professionals. Without the proper tools, expertise, and experience, installing windows can quickly become a frustrating and costly task. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and damage to the window or surrounding structure. By hiring a qualified window installer, you can avoid these issues and ensure that your windows are installed correctly the first time. Neglecting to check for local building code. Before starting your window installation project, it's important to check if there are any local building codes or regulations in Cayce that apply to window installations. Failing to adhere to these codes can lead to fines, complications when selling your home, or even the need to redo the entire installation. Always check with your local authorities or a professional installer to ensure that your project complies with all applicable codes. Conclusion: proper window installation is crucial to ensuring that your home is energy efficient, comfortable, and visually appealing. Avoiding these common mistakes can help you save money, enhance your home's value, and ensure that your windows perform as they should for years to come. Whether you're doing it yourself or hiring a professional, taking the time to plan, measure accurately, and prioritize quality materials and proper installation techniques is the key to a successful window installation project in Cayce.